Now let's move to the question number 12. It is given that y is equal to x times exponential of 3x plus 2. Find the value of dy over dx. We have the function y, which is the product of two functions. So we will use product rule, which is duv is equals to u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. This is the product rule we will use or apply to given function y, so that we can find the value of dy over dx. So dy over dx is equal to, this one is u and exponential function is v. U derivative of v, so x will remain same, and derivative of exponential term, which is exponential of 3x plus 2 with respect to dx, plus v, which is exponential of 3x plus 2, and derivative of u means derivative of x. For the solving, we will have x, derivative of exponential term always remains same, so it will be the exponential of 3x plus 2, and derivative of the power, which is derivative of 3x plus 2, plus exponential term, which is exponential of 3x plus 2, and derivative of x is 1. So we have dy over dx is equals to x exponential of 3x plus 2, derivative of 3x plus 2 is 3, plus exponential term, which is exponential of 3x plus 2. We can say that dy over dx is equals to the 3x exponential of 3x plus 2 plus exponential of 3x plus 2, which was required. Part B, hence find the integration of x exponential of 3x plus 2 with respect to dx. So in given integration, we also use the product rule, which is integration of uv is equals to u integration of v with respect to dx minus integration derivative of u, then integration of v with respect to x, and the whole integration with respect to x. So in this case, so this one is u and this one is v. So integration of x exponential of 3x plus 2 with respect to dx is equals to u, which is x, integration of exponential term, which is v, minus integration derivative of u means derivative of x with respect to dx, time integration of v means exponential of 3x plus 2 with respect to dx, and then whole integration. So x integration of exponential term will remain same, and the coefficient of x is 3, so it will be divided, minus integration derivative of x is 1, and the integration of exponential term will remain same, and the coefficient of x will be divided, and this one will be integrated again. So x over 3 exponential of 3x plus 2 minus integration of exponential of 3x plus 2 over 3 with respect to dx. X over 3 exponential of 3x plus 2 minus 1 over 3, and integration of exponential term will remain same, and the coefficient of x will be divided, which is over 3, and then plus c. So this one is x over 3 exponential of 3x plus 2 minus exponential of 3x plus 2 over 9 plus c. I hope you learned something from me. Please subscribe and share with your friend. Thank you very much.